Go ahead, let it sail.
Here it goes. It's floating away.
Let's follow it.
What an adventure. Here, let's dry your hands.
Okay, Mommy.
All clean and dry now.
Thank you. This is so yummy.
Yeah, it's great.
I'm so glad you like it.
It is delicious.
This soup is delicious.
It really is. Great job.
Yeah, it's yummy. I love it.
What a lovely day for a walk.
It certainly is. I love the rain.
Wee slush fun.
What a beautiful day for a walk.
It is, my love.
Wee, I love the rain. Me too. This rain is fun.
It is. Let's keep walking.
The bridge is nice and dry.
See the rain? It's not so bad.
But why do we need it?
It helps all the plants grow.
Look how many different seeds there are.
Wow, so many. This one is bumpy. Yes, let's sort them.
I'm so glad we're all together.
Me too. These cookies are great.
They're the best. Can I have another?
Of course.
What a beautiful rainbow.
It is. Perfect day.
Splash, fun. Me too. Yay, splashing.
This is fun.
It certainly is.
The rain makes it an adventure.
There you go, little sprout.
We love the sun.
And you all get plenty of it.
Yay.
Oh, what a beauty. So fresh.
There we go, buddy. Almost done. Perfect. What do you think? Good boy.